Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. So for the last 2 weeks, I'm not able to make the video because I lost all the data and I lost my phone. So as you know that the phone and the data I used to store in my hardwares, and so I lost the data. I apologize for the same. Here you can see some openings are there for the candidates who are already freshers and completed their degree. You can see some openings are into pharmacovigilance, and all BPharm candidates were waiting for the opening into pharmacovigilance role, that too from Pfizer. So you will get to know because the openings is there in this week, and I will add the link in the description box. So otherwise, you can check for the openings in market research, drug databases. Apart from that, medical writing and regulatory affairs and pharmacovigilance from IT companies. So let's begin. Gland Pharma is hiring for tech transfer, formulations, injectables, where MPharm Pharmaceutics with 2 to 4 years of experience candidate can apply to the given mail ID. The position will be as research associate, and 2 to 4 years of experience is required. This is for their Hyderabad office. I'm coming to the next, that is Bimta Labs. They are hiring for the below criterion, multiple openings for the freshers, MSc or informed candidates in analytical or organic chemistry, physical chemistry, or in the pharmaceutical chemistry or analysis segment. And the pass out year will be 2023, 2022, and 2021. So the candidates all have to carry minimum 60% of aggregate into their academics, and the work location will be Hyderabad. Local candidates also apply, and non-local candidates will also be they'll also can apply through the given link. And this is the email ID. You can check it out. Gene Labs is hiring 1 to 2 candidates for different roles that depends on MSc or PSc, MSc Biotech, microbiology background, or some candidates into pharma, but who have the exposure into biotech segment. All are welcome. And the first position candidate will have to have the experience into manufacturing of IVD, real-time PCR, knowledge of real-time PCR assay, and they have to well versed with the documentation as per ISO certifications. And the second position candidates will have to work with the nucleic acid extraction and other extraction methods, knowledge of validation and verification of molecular IVD assays. Work location will be Bangalore. So next is Pfizer. So Pfizer is hiring for BPharm candidates for regulatory affairs department as an associate role. That could be Chennai or home-based location. I'll add the link in the description box. The candidate must have a bachelor degree, proven ability to manage complex regulatory or drug development issues, knowledge of the regulations and guidelines in the various markets, starting from US FDA, CFDA, URA, and TGA. So the candidate should have a strong relationship with the local health agency and the other relevant stakeholders, and proactively manage the issues with key external stakeholders. Good communication skills, collaboration attributes, and the computer literacy is mandatory. If you have certain basic knowledge of regulatory, then you will be given preferences. Aminal is hiring for product development into the injectables. So for the Ahmedabad location, MPharm with 2 to 6 years of experience candidate can apply to the given mail ID. You have to apply, mention in the mail subject, there is application for quality assurance in the mail subject. Okay. The job description will include, but not limitations with, understanding of product development related activities of all injectable dosage forms for regulated market, understanding of ANDA and 505(b) to product filing, and exposure to wide range of dosage forms, starting from liquid solutions, lyophilized, suspension, and emulsions. Understanding of drug device combination product and regulatory expectations. Exposure to equipments like high shear homogenizer, high pressure homogenizer, HPH, lyophilizers, and microfluidizer, nanomill, etc. Experienced in preparation and review of product development report (PDR) according to ICH guidelines, and basic understanding of implementation of QBD principles. So basic understanding of API specification, DMF, excipient specification, in-process specification are required. Quality Pharmaceuticals, they are organizing one walk-in tomorrow, so we were not able to apply or attend the walk-in. They can send their resume to the given WhatsApp number. Multiple positions, so you have to apply with your resume and your interest. So the position are open into QC, QA, and their biologics segment. Here, BPharm or MSc in biochemistry or microbiology both can apply. Or if you are a BTech in biotech, you also can apply to the given WhatsApp. One beautiful opportunity for freshers, MPharm, and PharmD candidates into global data. So they are hiring to multiple roles. So PharmD and MPharm only freshers will be counted for this particular role. The job description will include extensive research, the secondary research, understanding of basic terminologies used in the pharmaceutical drug research, like drug receptor, target mechanism, indications, etc. Knowledge of pharmaceutical pipeline and market drugs, knowledge about drug discovery processes, clinical trials, post-marketing surveys, the regulatory information is a must. Sorry. You can share the resume to the given mail ID. Medreach is hiring for analytical research and development role. MPharm with minimum 2 to 5 years of experience candidate can apply to the given mail ID. This is for Bangalore location. NQ Ethicals is hiring for two important roles. One is officer or executive in quality control. Their BPharm, MPharm, MSc with minimum 2 years of experience candidate can apply. So they have minimum experience in HPLC, GC with processing activities like assay, testing, RS, etc. And for lab QA, that is also for executive and officer role. Here also BPharm, MPharm, and MSc with minimum 4 years of experience candidate can apply. You have to have the knowledge and the skills about audit trail, lab QA, analysis of RM, PM, and stability batches. That is for the indoor location, and you can apply to the given methods. Process is hiring for business analyst role. So there, they need experience into clinical trials for their Hyderabad location. BPharm, MPharm with 2 to 6 years of experience candidate can apply to the given mail ID. The skill sets mostly they need at about the clinical trials, and the role would be into the business development sector. Coming to the Python opportunity, that is they need at least some educational qualifications starting from MTech or MSc in similar qualification or biotechnology, or in the master's MPharm with 1 to 2 years of experience in research. So you have to have the skills including design and perform recommendation recombinant DNA techniques like PCR, RT-PCR, cloning techniques like ligation based on cloning, recombination based on cloning, and subcloning, site-directed mutagenesis, sequencing, DNA, RNA genomics, knowledge of softwares like Vector NTI, Genius, and SnapGene, all are required for this particular role. So the position is in TM, that is Translational Medicines, Protein Science segment. MTech, BTech with minimum 1 to 2 years of experience candidate can apply to the given mail. Wipro Pune is hiring for a case processor, that is pharmacovigilance, where they have asked for minimum 4 months of experience. So freshers also can apply here. BPharm, MPharm, BAMS, BHMS, PharmD, BDS, all can apply. The job description will include reviewing and published report biomedical literature to ascertain if they contain a case report of an adverse reaction or not, applying regulatory and internal guidelines to determine if the article meets the definition of an case report and non-individual case report. Okay. Next is something accurate and concise summary writing that capture the key elements from these published reports. Ensure consistent coding of medical history, drugs, and adverse events. Creating summary content in a range of formats, narrative summary, structured databases, inputs. Also have to contribute and support the project through query resolution of peer team members. The technical knowledge or the techniques required is sound knowledge of regulatory guidelines related to query, narrative writing, medical DRA coding, sound knowledge of pharmacological concepts, and command on verbal and written communication skills. Interested candidate can apply to the given mail address. This is for Pune location. Seniors help. After a long time, they are hiring for statistical programmers where mathematical background and the pharma or life science background all can apply. So, starting from the point of knowledge, the candidates who have the knowledge of base and advanced SAS programming. Interested candidates can share their resume to the given mail. This is could be office or home-based location. Navitas Life Sciences is hiring for Chennai and Bangalore location for the medical writing roles. MBBS or MD pharmacology freshers can apply to the given mail ID. Coming to the last opportunity for this week, there is Clinosoft is hiring for medical writing role. MPharm or PharmD freshers can apply to the given mail ID, that is for Hyderabad location, and you have to mention medical writing resume into the subject line. So I wish you all the best for the job applications, and thank you. Apologize for the delay in posting these openings, but the vacancies are the recent one, and you can check it out. Thank you.